Meralco. You know, I've been telling so many times, saying so many times, you know, Manila is an old city. In fact, comparatively, when you see Taguig, Makati, with those high-rise and beautiful buildings, I think there is an advantage for that at a certain level. But the uniqueness and character of the city of Manila is history. History comes with age. Because of an old city, there's a lot of story to tell, a lot of history to share from our forefathers, and those history still being seen, particularly all over the city, but particularly here in Tampines, where we belong. And this will speak of who we are and what we are in the past. And this also remind us of sinabi ng ating mga magulang, ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa parong. So we must not forget who we are and what we are before and today. Now, having said that, with this type of challenges of being an old city, the very least that we can do is to make it maaliwalas, pleasant, malinis, maaliwalas, at panatag ang pamumuhay sa Luzon. So that's why when I assume office last July, as you all know, through the help of Meralco, we've addressed a particular request from a community, what we call the Chinatown. And with the launching of that program, itong ginagawa ng Meralco at ng inyong Luzon ng Maynila, ay truck na unnecessary cable na masakit sa mata. Kulang na lang, sampayan ng damit dahil abot na sa bintana ng bahay. When we say unnecessary cable, some of these are illegals. Illegally kinabit, nakisampay, ng walang sapat na paintulot. And to resolve that, for future, moving forward, your city government came up with a new law directing all those companies and utilities before sila magkabit, payagan magkabit, na kailangan nilang konsultahin ang Meralco. And with that, I think we have now extra hand policing future community with regard to putting up these mga facilities sa ating Luzon. Now, truck na kable ang nakuha nila. So, truck din ang naalis sa masakit sa mata. Now, having said that again, here we are in a famous area, what you call the city within the city. What we called it, especially in the past, no? We're very happy, very excited, Joan and I, that makadadagdag ang effort ng Meralco na mas maaliwalas pa ang buong Intramuros. Because sa ibang mamamayan na maaaring hindi pamilyar sa lungsod ng Maynila or particular sa Intramuros, maaaring isipin nila puro building lang ito, puro opisina lang ito, no? Eskwelahan. No, there are people living inside the whole city. And through the leadership of Atty. Joan, the executive from DIE, ay unti-unti pong bumabangon ng katanyagan ng Intramuros. And rest assured that your city government will continue to work hand in hand with the national government. In this case, ay kami patuloy na makikipag-ugnayan sa isa't isa sa layuning gawing maaliwalas ang ating lungsod at ang Intramuros. Now, today, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Manila. Thank you very much, Meralco. Palakpakan natin. Aaliwalas tayo pero wala tayong tosgas. ang gagastos, Meralco. You know, it will incur a lot of expenses for them to clean this up. Hindi naman nila yan obligasyon, but of course, for the safety of everyone, safety, maliwalas, at eficiente. Hindi yung kabit lang ng kabit. Okay, gusto natin ng kumakabit. But, you know, moving forward, very happy, very excited for the community and all other places in the city of Manila. This is a ceremonial event, but after ceremonial event, it's proven already that a regular activity is being conducted by your city engineering, by your city electrician, and by our partner with private sector here is Meralco. So muli, Meralco, maraming salamat. Mabasa sana kayo ng ulan. At maraming pagkumpanya na tumulong sa atin dito sa Luzon ng Manila. Kaninang umaga, dagdag ko lang, natutuwa ako na unti-unti talagang bumabalik ang tiwala ng mga negosyante sa ating Luzon. In fact, there is I would say the biggest job fair done by one company alone. One company alone. Although it's a conglomerate, but they opted to do it in Manila because they believe in the people of Manila. The quality, the skills, the knowledge acquired, the experience of Manileños to be hired in their respective companies up to NAIA, up to the airport, up to Skyway, and so on and so on. Thousands of jobs were made available today. And I'm happy and excited for the people of Manila kasi kasama yun sa aking programa. Pangunahing programa. When we say pangunahin, priority, this will where our money is going to be invested. MBN, minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, jobs. Jobs. Provide opportunity for our people in the city of Manila. So, yan, Meralco, San Miguel, so on and so on. Maraming tumutulong ulit sa Luzon. Sa mga tumutulong naman, katulad ninyo mga nakaharap dito, Meralco, huwag ko kayo mag-alala. Ang inyong pamahalang Luzon, pumanatag po kayo. Mag-iinam po kami. Bubuti po kami. Magiging masinop kami sa gastusin, bagamat kami fiscally challenged, but we will make sure every single cent, in every single action, every single time, that there is an opportunity to develop, to help, and innovate. I doon po namin tutuunin ang ating gastusin. So today, sa mga barangay na nandito, Pagawad, Secretary Treasurer, Chairman, SK Chairman, Tanod, XO, I'm happy for you. Bawal na magkabita. Kasi nung araw, it's a known fact. Ako po, mahirap kami. Napakahirap namin nung araw. Sobra po, sa bilang mahirap. Pero, stockholder po kami ng Meralco. Shareholder po kami ng Meralco. Kami lang ang may kuryente, walang bayad. But those were the days in the 80s. Those are the days when you are in a challenging area. Now, what we're doing with challenging area, the same thing, yung area kung saan ako lumaki, katulad kung saan akong area lumaki. Inuunti-unti natin sila pinagkakita. Para safety, no? Mas ligtas, mas eficiente ang power distribution. Napakalaga ng kuryente sa buhay natin. Parang tubig yan. Pag walang kuryente, walang tubig, nakasisira ang araw ng mga nanay natin. Walang mapaplansya, walang malalaba, walang maluluto, and so on and so on. So that's why I'm happy for the barangay na inaayos ang inyong pamahalang lusot ng inyong IA at ang Meralco ang ating para mas lalong maliwalas, that's the initial, pero mas ligtas para sa lahat. Muli, ngayong araw, palainawa kayo ang Manila. Thank you.